Hi, welcome to Life Mantras. Since it's lockdown, we are not allowed to go outside. That's why our society, along with DMart, has arranged supermarket on wheels. DMart has come to our society and made a setup of supermarket right below our buildings. So I am excited to see the supermarket setup in our parking lot. Are you? Let's find out. So I am in the lift now, you can see, and I am wearing my mask. So wearing mask is very important to protect yourself from corona.
We are now in our parking lot and walking towards the other building where the supermarket setup has been done. They call it supermarket on wheels. I really like the whole idea of having supermarket right below the building, as during lockdown we need to avoid going out as much as we can. So let's find out how's the supermarket in parking lot. We are here now and security has confirmed our sequence. That's the building we need to go towards, as he has told us that the setup is done over there. Even I don't know, as it's first time in our society. As you can see, these square boxes are made to follow the social distancing. I can say almost 6 feet distance is maintained between each box. That's really nice. There is a notice board which says do's and don'ts like wear mask, follow social distancing, and most important point is cooperate with security staff. Let's get going, guys. Security has just stopped us and told us to wait for our turn and instructed us to stand in the box. Basically, this is the queue with proper social distancing. We all are definitely following it, as it is for our own safety. From here, I can see the setup. Others are in queue too and following the guidelines. And I will go inside once my turn comes. We are entering now as per the sequence and we just took our basket. As you can clearly see, this is parking lot under one of our society building. However, once we enter inside, it looks completely different and gives feeling of a supermarket. As the setup is done properly and most of the essential goods are available here, from basic items like atta, salt, sugar, rice, all kind of dals, haldi, chili. And what I just saw, some luxury items as well, like biscuits, noodles, cornflakes are also available. Yes, these are luxury items during the lockdown, as I could not get these items 10 days back when I went outside to buy these items in different shops. That's why I call them now luxury items. I can see some more basic and required items like washing powders, hand wash liquid, body soaps, Harpix, Dettol, etc. It's really nice we are getting all these items under our own roof. Even the billing counters are properly set with point of sale machines. I think I have taken whatever we had decided to buy, and now after collecting required things, this is the last item I am picking up. And I am almost done and gonna head towards counter for billing. My basket is almost full. Upon keeping the basket on counter, staff told me to stand little away to maintain social distancing. और अब वक्त आ गया है अपनी जेब हल्की करने का. Jokes apart, as you notice, everybody is wearing mask. People who have come to purchase, DMart staff, security staff. This gave me confidence that proper guidelines are getting followed. One more important thing is, DMart is only accepting card payments. No cash transactions are allowed. If we all follow like this, then we definitely can restrict the spread of coronavirus. I would like to highlight few key points after my shopping experience. A. Before entering, we were clearly told that every customer gets maximum 10 minutes to shop. B. At a time, only 4 families were allowed to be inside the supermarket. I really like the entire idea and concept of supermarket on wheels. Let me know your comments in the comment section below.
Hi guys, so after shopping in supermarket on wheel in DMart, we are back home. And I'll show you a couple of essentials which we have bought. As you can see, haldi, I think it's maida, some kind of masala, soap, and that's the bill. And there are more items. So I would like to thank each and every person who is involved in this process of bringing the supermarket on wheel by DMart at our doorstep. because this is essential. Supermarket things are essential and they have bought at our doorstep. So I'd like to thank our society secretary, society members, DMart management and DMart staff, our security society staff, Indian government, government of Maharashtra, because they have allowed DMart to carry on this activity. So I would like to really thank everyone who is involved in this process. I would like to thank the police department as well as the healthcare department, because they are fighting out in sun, because it's summer nowadays, at night as well, and 24/7 they are taking care of us during this global pandemic. So I would like to thank everyone who is involved and taking care of us, of bringing the essential at doorstep, as well as vegetable vendors and everyone who is involved in this. So guys, I would like to say everyone, if we don't go out and these kind of services are provided at our doorstep, then we could stop the spread of coronavirus, because if we don't go out, the corona might not come to us, because when they are arranging these kind of things, they are taking a lot of precautions. As we have seen, it is properly arranged. There is a sanitizer when we are entering the supermarket and when we are exiting the supermarket. We have maintained the social distancing as well, and we had given our names yesterday night, and they are calling us as per the number to avoid the rush. So these are the efforts which were really impressive, and again I would like to thank everyone, guys. So like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Life Mantras by Nishant, and keep that smile on your face, as it looks very beautiful. Thank you so much, guys.